So, as we all know, Irn Bru is changing. It's changed its recipe to have half the sugar that it had before, and we're gonna test through it and see if it tastes any different. I'm here with Hao and Madeline. Madeline's from America, Hao's from China, and they both have not had Irn Bru before, so this is gonna be new for them. So yeah, let's crack one open and see if we enjoy it. So what do you guys think?
It's not bad, actually. I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I feel like I like it better than I expected to.
Yeah.
It's kind of a weird taste. It's not like I haven't tasted anything like it.
Well, it's the #1 selling drink in Scotland, so most Scots do like
Is it
it.
soft drink or energy drink?
It would be a soft drink. We call it a soft drink. Also, Irn Bru is quite hard to say what it tastes like, so I'd like to hear what you guys think it tastes like.
I think it tastes like bubble gum,
It is a bit like bubblegum.
which is weird because it's orange, like very orange.
People say caramel.
Kind of orange juice and
Caramel.
kind of orange juice, like
Orange juice? That's new.
So what's even in it anyway? Why does it taste how it tastes?
Well,
we have conducted an extensive experiment, and we now know that the ingredients of old Irn Bru are
half a rainbow, powdered unicorn's horn, and the sweat from Sean Connery's brow, essence of Billy Connolly, a single hair from Lily's head, and 436 spoonfuls of sugar. So this is old Irn Bru, this is new Irn Bru, and we'll see if we can taste the difference.
new Irn Bru is better for you. The ingredients are
Half a rainbow, powdered unicorn horn, the sweat from Sean Connery's forehead, a carrot, the essence of Billy Connolly, a single hair from Lulu's head, 217 spoonfuls of sugar, and science. That looks so sciencey. Yeah. And there you have it. Delicious. So, what do you think?
I think it tastes really different, actually.
Really different.
Really, yeah. I don't like. I think part of the charm of the original was that it was so sugary, and it's not the same.
It's not the same. Well, that's the big thing for many Scots. They think that this change in Irn Bru is going to change their lives. They think, yeah, they're in outrage. They don't want it to change at all. So it's, for some people, it's a really big deal.
Well, you know, so in America, actually, in 1985, Coke tried to do the same thing, and so Coke tried to change their recipe as well, and it was met with like a bunch of outrage. Their headquarters in Atlanta got something like 40,000 calls complaining about this change in Coke, because everyone loves Coke. And they got so many calls, people were talking about it like a family member had died, and it was like this huge loss in so many people's lives. And so Coke actually ended up, it only lasted like 79 days, so just like a few months with this new Coke before Coke changed it back. So
Yes.
yeah, all you gotta do is call Irn Bru.
So if you feel that Irn Bru isn't getting you through anymore, then at least we still have Tunnocks tea cakes.
You can't get it out. I was like, do I take it out of his lap? Do I still eat it? It's fine, I'm not ashamed. My embarrassing moments belong on the internet. That's it.